Good morning. Today is January 22nd, and I am doing my trade review today. A little bit of mixed day today, with a lot of um, chop and range. Had a couple opportunities, but mostly it was ranging market. Some good lessons as well today that I went through. So in total, I took 4 trades today. It was a calculated tilt, I would say, but yeah, yet still saw a couple good setups, so wanted to go ahead and take those, and then I think one not good setup, not much good setup, so I'll go over that as well. So the first trade that I took was Meta. Took again one contract of Meta at right here at this retest. So Meta was pretty strong at the market open, hyped up really high, went up high up day, came back and retested this pre-market high, I believe, pre-market high. And the idea was that it broke this higher time frame level as well. So I was interested in this, so took Meta, one contract. Meta moves insanely fast, so it was interesting to see the move on that, and then got out of that contract. Got into the contract at this 938 candle right around here, and got out of this at this 945 candle, right around here. Since it was moving so fast and it chopped a little bit in the middle, the return was decent, but it was an interesting experience for Meta. Um, I'm going to keep low sides on Meta going forward as well, just because the contracts move so fast that um, it does freak you out. So note to myself, low contracts in Meta until um, otherwise. Um, then I went ahead and took 2 trades on the indices. One was on QQQ and the other one was on SPY. I took QQQ first. It was a couple confluences here, the market was turning bearish. So it was a retest of previous day high, retest of, and this was a higher time frame right here. So I got into this, since it's a previous day high, my idea is tend not to take short positions at a previous day high level. But the conference was turning, the market was turning more bearish, so, and there was a gap fill at the bottom as well. So my confidence was it will fill the gap and then come back up. It did not fill the gap completely, but that was the idea. So I took the retest right here. I was looking for a break of this pre-market low as well. So I entered a little late into this right around 947 candle right here. And then as I said, the chop was pretty clear, came back up, then went back down. I had 2 contracts in this. I offered one of the contracts right here, and the other one I had to hold on and kind of offload it somewhere here actually, um, because there was a lot of chop going on. So I was like, this is not working out. So I cut my position right here at 10:09. The idea was there was a lot of chop going on here, and if it breaks this up close candle right here, I'll go ahead and cut the position. So it broke the up close candle, and I went ahead and cut my position. That was my QQQ, and in the meantime, I took SPY as well. same confluence as QQQ. Both indices were towards the downside, so I took this retest right here. I entered into this candle, however, which was at 956 when as broke the pre-market low. Just want some additional confirmation, and so I got into this. This was a little more clear downtrend. I got two contracts in this, got out of first one in here right at 10:02, and then the second one I got out at 10:09. So those were my two contracts with SPY. Which I did. These are two good trades, I believe. And then I saw Google. Google is always my favorite. I mean, it was chopping, and then it was a little weak, and then the market was weak as well. So I wanted to give it a try. I had this higher time frame level, thirds to the lows, and then I had a 5-minute confluence, 5-minute low as well. So the confluence was that this will push down towards this high level, higher time frame level that I have in here. So I took this retest right here. It broke, retested. I actually entered here. Actually entered here. So I entered into Google. I wanted some more confirmation. So broke this, came back up right here when this retest happened. I entered at this candle right here. Expecting it to go all the way down to the next level. It came down here and then it started kind of coming back up. So my stop loss was up until here, which I got out. Couple of lessons that I want to take away from today. Number one, markets are, once they're ranging, try to stay away from them. No use of trading in the range market, however attractive they may be. And then if a ticker is on a high time frame, bullish, I should not be taking any short positions on it. Google, I think I made that mistake on a high time frame. This ticker has been bullish, but intraday I was trying to take a short position on it, which did not work very well. The setup was good, but the thesis behind it, I think, was not valid. Having that said, I think that's it for me today. Let me know your feedback. Thank you all.